What's up? My name's Mason, and welcome to the first episode of No Limits Garage. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of work to the LS400, but not directly to it. So what we're doing right now is we're rebuilding my old wheels. So I have 19-inch work eurolines, three-piece welded, and we're going to be turning them from these 19 by 9.5 into 19 by 12 and a half. So these are going to be the new rears. The rears are going to go on the front, and then we're going to do a metal molded wide body on the car. So let's get into it. So the first step to rebuilding the wheels is taking all the hardware out and putting them somewhere safe that you won't forget them or lose them. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to go ahead and go all the way around the whole face, take out all the hardware, and then put them in the bucket and save them. Now that we got all the hardware out of the face, we're going to take the wheel and set on something soft and go ahead and tap the face out. It's that easy. I'll take the face and set it somewhere safe, out of the way where it won't get damaged. And now what we have to do, since I'm reusing the barrel, we have to take and cut where it's welded from the factory, go ahead and split that, and then pop the face off. So let's go ahead and get to that. All right, now that, I don't know how we'll be able to see it, we went ahead and cut the weld there. Now there's still gonna be a little bit that's still connected here and there, so what I'm gonna do is take this chisel, just kind of go around lightly here in spots and tap it till it starts to split, and then do it the rest of the way by hammer. See, and just keep hammering around. Eventually you'll get it to split all the way apart. Now that we got it apart, we'll go ahead and take the flat disc and clean up this edge right here where the new silicone is going to go. All right, now that we've gone ahead and cleaned up the mating surfaces where the lip and the barrel will bolt together, we can go ahead and get the new lip out of the box. And if you're wondering, I got these lips from vrwheels.com, brand new, shipped straight to my house. Send them your wheel info, what specs you want, and they ship it to you. 19 by 6.5. So now that we got these, this one is already ready to go ahead and bolt together. So I'll go ahead and get the silicone out and show you how we do it. Now that we've got the surface all prepped and cleaned here, I'm gonna go ahead and take some alcohol-based cleaner. Go ahead and wipe it down. Now that it's all wiped down, we can go ahead and take our silicone and put a thin layer all the way around the inside, between the lip and the barrel, so that it go ahead and guarantees a nice good seal and it's not going to leak. And then we'll go ahead and put a second layer along the ridge in the middle as a second guarantee. Now we take our lip. Go ahead and set her on there. Give her a little squish. Now that hardware that I told you not to lose, we're gonna go ahead and take that, start sticking the bolts back in. Line up your valve stem hole, and just slowly set her on in. All right, now that we have enough of the hardware put in there to secure the wheel together, we're gonna go ahead and take and smooth this line out. And then we'll go ahead and come behind it with a second coat after we masking tape around it to get our lines nice and clean. All right, now that we've got the wheel all masked up, we can go ahead and put our second layer of silicone in and then go ahead and smooth it out. And voila, you have it. One fully rebuilt wheel. Silicone's all nice. Blade smooth. Got a nice edge all the way around. Now we just let it cure for 24 to 48 hours, depending on whatever silicone you use. And that's how you rebuild your wheels. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, interact, get this thing rolling. It's my first video, and peace out.